Milani, grade 10, don't miss the mark. We see the groups from 10 to 20, keeping it sharp. Frequency is 6, don't just use the 10 or the 20. Calculate the midpoint, that's where the wisdom is plenty. Misconception number 1, don't use the boundary. Midpoint is the key to unlock the treasury. Estimated, meanwhile, Quartiles. Calculated. Midpoint times frequency, then sum it up. Add it up. Divide by the total frequency. See, keep your head up. That's the mean mark. A someday, let's find the middle, where the median stays. Cumulative frequency will guide us through the maze. Now look at part B, where the median hides. Don't just choose the biggest frequency, that's where the error slides. Frequency 14 is big, but that's not the median location. We need the middle position for this statistical station. Total frequency is 40, divided by 2. The 20 hit position is waiting for you. Calculate a cumulative 6, then 20, then 32. That 20 student is in the 20-30 group. It's true. Estimated, meanwhile, Quartiles. Calculated. Midpoint times frequency, then sum it up. Add it up. Divide by the total frequency. See, keep your head up. That's the mean mark. A someday, let's find the middle, where the median stays. Cumulative frequency will guide us through the maze. Remember the midpoint. Remember the total frequency. Remember the cumulative sum. No more misconceptions. Grade 10, the work is done. Estimated, meanwhile, Quartiles. Calculated. Midpoint times frequency, then sum it up. Add it up. Divide by the total frequency. See, keep your head up. That's the mean mark. A someday, let's find the middle, where the median stays. Cumulative frequency will guide us through the maze. Class dismissed, sharp, sharp. Grade 10, you got this. Azambege. Milani, grade 10, don't miss the mark. We see the groups from 10 to 20, keeping it sharp. Frequency is 6, don't just use the 10 or the 20. Calculate the midpoint, that's where the wisdom is plenty. Upper plus lower, then divide by 2. That 15 is the midpoint, that's what you gotta do. Misconception number 1, don't use the boundary. Midpoint is the key to unlock the treasury. Estimated, meanwhile, Quartiles. Calculated. Midpoint times frequency, then sum it up. Add it up. Divide by the total frequency. See, keep your head up. That's the mean mark. A someday, let's find the middle, where the median stays. Cumulative frequency will guide us through the maze. Now look at part B, where the median hides. Don't just choose the biggest frequency, that's where the error slides. Frequency 14 is big, but that's not the median location. We need the middle position for this statistical station. Total frequency is 40, divided by 2. The 20 hit position is waiting for you. Calculate a cumulative 6, then 20, then 32. That 20 student is in the 20-30 group. It's true. Estimated, meanwhile, Quartiles. Calculated. Midpoint times frequency, then sum it up. Add it up. Divide by the total frequency. See, keep your head up. That's the mean mark. A someday, let's find the middle, where the median stays. Cumulative frequency. A someday. Remember the cumulative sum. No more misconceptions. Grade 10, the work is done. Estimated, meanwhile, Quartiles. Calculated. Midpoint times frequency, then sum it up. Add it up. Divide by the total frequency. See, keep your head up. That's the mean mark. A Someday let's find the middle where the median stays. Cumulative frequency will guide us through the maze. Class dismissed, sharp, sharp. Grade 10, you got this. Azambege.
Welcome, guys. Welcome to it's the daily dose of mathematics.
Sponsored by Fundaflow.
Oh, okay. Yeah. We're going to be showing you how to use Fundaflow, guys. This is just to prove that you actually don't need me as your tutor. You can do anything, everything on that app. So what we're going to be trying to do, starting now, grade 10s, we're going to be trying to show you how to use this app, how to maximize its potential. So what it is going to be doing now is going to sign up, and then it's going to sign up as a learner to show you basically how do you sign up as a learner. And then once you sign up as a learner, how do you request a tutor? Let's say if you're struggling, you still don't understand this app. This app, guys, was trained according to every video that I ever did on YouTube so that it doesn't hallucinate. So we made sure that we remove any hallucination. And then any word that we're going to be giving you, you'll be able to handwriting it. You'll be able to handwrite it. Yeah, you can handwrite it. You can also create a test for yourself. So before I waste any time, let's take them through. How does Fundaflow work?
So do I sign in as a grade 8 or a grade 10? Then which grade should I choose?
Okay, because now we're doing grade 10 and then Luanda requested me to do group data.
Yeah.
So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing grade 10. So sign in as a grade 10 learner.
So the app is user friendly. You can just say you don't have an account just because you don't have an account yet. So when you sign up, what I like about this app is that you can sign up with anyone. The teacher can sign up, the tutor can sign up, learners can sign up, parents can also sign up. So I'm gonna sign up as a learner. And then yes, I'm still in school. Let's click grade 10. Then my home language is Setswana. I'm gonna choose Setswana on this one. And then province.
Okay, they asked you grade 10. First, let's explain the A, B, C, D. Why is that?
Okay.
Now, guys, remember in school, when it says grade 10, like you'll find like if you have a bigger school, you are not doing just grade 10, you're doing A, B, C, D. So you can either be doing A, you can either be doing B, you can either be doing C, you can, depending on how big the school is.
Yep.
So sometimes in big schools, you find that it's not the same person who's teaching all the grades. So if you're doing grade 10A, you need to choose grade 10A. Why are we doing this? We're making sure that if your teacher signs in and then they say they're teaching grade 10A, they will be able to send you work. So that's why we have A, B, C, D. Okay. So you chose what, grade 10?
A.
So Itu is doing grade 10A.
I love A.
Doing accounting. Yeah, they usually accounting people those ones.
Okay. So in province, I'm around Mpumalanga.
You're in Mpumalanga, okay.
My district is in Kangala.
You're in Kangala, okay.
Then my second it's Libangeli.
You're at Libangeli second.
Yeah, okay. Then I have Hlalaga, the secondary school.
My high school. Okay.
My high school, previous high school.
Okay.
So then I'm gonna put on my email here, which is TF itifrahutu. Then I'm gonna put on my password.
Okay.
I'm not gonna say my password. Someone gonna log in with my password.
Okay.
I ain't doing that. Don't try this at home. Yeah, and then I'm gonna accept the terms and conditions. Agree to them.
Let's just check if everything is visible today.
Yeah, everything's still visible.
Okay. So that, yeah.
So then we sign up.
And then it's going to say you must confirm your email.
Yeah.
So it is going to confirm his email. You can you confirm your email on your phone or you want to confirm it here?
Let me confirm it here to show them how it works.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go to my email.
Yeah.
Then let me refresh. Then voila, welcome to Fundaflow. Please confirm your email.
So guys, if you don't press the confirm the email, you can't log in.
Yep.
And then if you are a teacher, a tutor, we'll have to approve you first. We don't want people to see learners' marks unnecessary. So we'll just have to confirm that you're a real teacher there in that school.
Okay.
Before you can use the app, yeah?
Then I confirm myself. Now that I've confirmed myself, I can log in.
Okay.
Okay, let's see the magic. ITF Rahoto. Password, I'm not trying to get that home. I'm not gonna say it. Then I'll be like, enter. Let's log in. Voila, I logged in. I'm Ellen.
Okay.
I'm in my learner's portal.
Okay, now that you're in the learner's portal, as you can see, guys, it's also user friendly. Now, what does it show you? It will just explain those things that are there so that they know exactly what is important, what is not important. So you have
5 credits.
So currently you have 5 credits. Okay.
Yep.
And
then I have requested a tutor.
So you can also request a tutor. Let's say you're struggling, guys. You don't know what you're doing. Anything here that the AI is doing, you don't understand it. You can request a human tutor.
Yep.
Now, what we're going to do for today is just going to request the daily dose of mathematics, which is me. It's going to request me to be his tutor.
Okay. Gonna request a tutor. Oh, so for you to request a tutor, it needs you to click the subject that you're requesting.
Oh, okay, yeah. So you need to say mathematics because the tutor needs to register which subjects they are doing. You won't see all the tutors. You're going to see tutors according to the subjects that they are teaching.
Yep.
So
I say maths.
Yeah, if you say maths, these are the tutors that already have agreed to say that they're doing maths. Okay. You can choose the daily dose.
Yeah, we have 3 tutors there.
We have 3 tutors so far. Okay, let's choose the daily dose.
Okay, let's hire the daily dose. Okay, the daily dose is successfully hired.
Okay, now guys, once it says the daily dose is successfully hired, it means that I will be able to see Itu's grades. Anything that he's doing, I will be able to see it so that I know exactly how to assist him. Okay, now from here onwards, what we are going to try to do now, because we are doing group data for today.
Yep.
We're going to say it to go and create a quiz. We're going to start by creating a quiz. Oh, maybe just let me not disturb you. You can just show them all the features that we have in this app before we go to create a quiz.
Okay, so then we have what are you submitting? In this part that works already when you're dealing with your teacher. Either you can deal with your teacher, the teacher assignment task, or you can create your independent classwork.
Yeah, your tutor can send you something, your teacher can also send you something. Once you assign your tutor, remember the tutor is in you. But at the same time, guys, you are on your own. Let's say you're struggling. Remember, if you're struggling, you're alone at home, you've written something, you're not sure whether it's correct or it's not correct. You can also use the same feature.
Yep.
And then click that feature into
which is independent.
So now you can say independent. So if you're just working independent, you can submit anywhere. This is what you need to know, guys. This is what you need to know. Very important. If you submit a question, this thing here is not going to give you anything. So the only way this thing is going to help you, it's me, this one, guys. It's going to help you if you give it your solution. It's going to tell you based on your solution, I think this is where you went wrong. This is what you need to do. That's the only thing that you could do. But to never solve any question. Never, never, never. I don't know how to repeat this. It will never solve any question for you. So if you just give it a question, forget it. Nothing's going to happen.
Yeah.
It's not going to do your homework. Never. So if you're practicing, it means that this is a learner. They've written a previous question paper or they've written a classwork. Now they want to see which when they go tomorrow at school, are they going to get it right or they're not going to get it right. So after you've done your homework, take a picture of that thing. You can even take a picture directly the way they say upload. Show them.
Okay. So which one are you uploading?
No. We are not going to uploading anything as yet. We are going to do the quiz though, because we don't have any group data unless you have any group data.
Oh, no, because no, I don't have it. Oh, I think introducing them to the features.
Yeah.
After submitting the thing, you have stuck on a problem. These 3 over here can help you.
Yeah, if you are okay. Number 1, we have stuck on a problem.
Yeah, we have scaffolding.
Okay, if you are stuck on a problem, this one is going to give you what it do.
It's going to give you a different step of what you're doing.
That's scaffolding.
Yeah, it's going to use an example of what you're doing.
Okay, that one, let's do it. Let's try to do it practical. Let's show them. We already have a question for today. Now, what we're going to do with that question, we're going to take the screenshot of that question, put it in, and then we are going to see how does it approach it.
Okay.
So let's do that. Let's go to our smart notebook. The smart notebook.
Okay, welcome to our smart notebook.
Okay.
So what's next?
So on your smart notebook, you take the question that we're doing. You take that question, you screenshot it.
Yeah.
When you're done screenshotting it, we're going to go to scaffolding. Like you say, you have scaffolding.
Yeah.
I'm trying to show them how the scaffolding works. So you put that question there on scaffolding, and then we wait for it to generate.
Okay, now let's go back to our scaffolding thingy.
Guys, you have options there. You can either write the question if you want, or you can just upload. In fact, the best way to do this thing is just to upload. It's going to make your life a little bit simple. If you have a question, just take a picture of it. If they've already sent a question paper, screenshot it. Okay.
Okay, now I'm going to upload it.
Okay, upload. Okay, while we're waiting for it to generate it, we can go to the other features that we also have.
Okay. Oh wait, we can't leave on this thing.
Oh,
When
it's,
you're when
oh,
you're
okay,
generating,
when we
yeah,
are okay,
you
we
have to
have to
wait
wait
for
for it
it
to.
to
Okay,
finish.
the other good feature about this app, guys, is that once it's done, let's say it's going to give you English whenever you don't understand,
Mm-hmm.
and then you want it to give it to you in your
Home
home
language.
language. Um, you can do that. You can ask it to translate it into your home language.
Yeah, you can tell your translator to help you with
Yeah,
this one.
to translate. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so then let's press our listen button.
So yeah, it also has a good feature which is just to listen. If you want to listen what is happening, what does it say? It do?
Hello friend. I'm your mathematical tutor. Let's work through a parallel example together to help you master this concept. Parallel example problem. Consider the following group frequency table showing the time, x, taken to complete a task. Interval 0x less than or equal to 5, frequency, f, equals 4. Interval 5x less than or equal to 10, frequency, f, equals 12. Interval 10x less than or equal to 15, frequency, f, equals 7. Question, write down the modal class for this data. Step-by-step solution. Step 1, understand the definition of modal class. The word modal comes from mode, which means the value that occurs most frequently. In group data, the modal class is simply the interval that has the highest frequency. Step 2, identify the highest frequency. Compare the frequency values given in the table. 4, 12, and 7. The largest frequency is 12. Step 3, match the highest frequency to its interval. The frequency of 12 corresponds to the interval 5x less than or equal to 10. Step 4, state the final answer clearly. Modal class equals 5x less than or equal to 10. Your turn. Now apply this method to your original problem. 1. Compare the frequency values in your table, 5, 9, and 6. 2. Which frequency is the largest? 3. Write down the exact interval corresponding to that highest frequency. Please reply with your answer so we can check it together. Coach's summary. Exam tip, remember mode equals most. When a question asks for a modal class, you do not need to perform any calculations. Simply scan the frequency column for the largest number and write down its matching inequality interval exactly as it appears.
Okay, guys, remember your phone is not going to sound like this. It depends on the built-in Cortana that you are using here. This one here is my own built-in Cortana. So you can also change if you want a female voice. You can also do that. So what we just did now, guys, as you saw, it took the question that we had. You saw that. After the question that we had, it didn't do the question that we had. It did a different question, but it shows us how should you approach your own question. So it just shows you that if you have a question you want to understand, you really want to understand it, you can do that so that you can apply it to your own question.
Yeah.
What is the next feature? Oh, we said you can also translate it. Can you just show them the translation? We're not going to do this translation. We didn't put a voice of the translation because the English guy, when we say he must translate, guys, it sounds like a petty guy trying to speak isiZulu. You know, it's painful, guys. It's painful. So we didn't want to expose our AI here. Okay.
Sorry, I'm Tsonga. Can I do it in Tsonga?
Can you do it in song, guys? It is asking, can you do it? Can you do it in song? Let's share chat. What does it say? I think let's use Sipedi.
I've already used Tsonga.
Already used Tonga. Okay, it is Tonga, guys. He said he wanted to do it in Tonga.
Oh, ahe munganami. Himi na ituta yawe. 1 minute.
Yeah.
Do you want me to continue?
No, it's fine. But guys, you get the idea that if you wanted to translate it in your home language, in your home language, it's going to do that. Okay, what is the next feature that we have?
Okay, so then the next feature that we have,
The next feature that we have, yeah.
The next feature,
yeah.
The next one is a hint give.
It's a hint given.
Yeah.
So guys, with this one here, it works if you just want to get a hint, like you are stuck on a problem, you just want to get a hint. This one is going to be simple. It's just going to say, next thing that you need to do is this one, but it's not going to do it. It's just going to say, do this. And then let's go to the next one. This one is the one which is most important.
The mini lesson.
Yeah, this one here, guys, I know I'm a maths teacher. Sometimes as maths teachers, people don't understand us. Remember, this app is not only for maths. But I'm just using maths as an example because at the daily dose of mathematics,
We are dealing with
we're dealing with mathematics. Okay, but this one here, guys, if you don't understand what they were teaching in class, you can go to the mini lesson. On your mini lesson, you are simply going to type the topic that you don't understand. Yeah? And then on that thing, it will, because today we're dealing with group data. Let's ask the AI to give us a lesson on group data.
Group data.
Yes, let's ask the AI to give us group data.
Okay.
Now, guys, for only this month here, if you want to hire me, I'm going to be hired only for free. Now, I'll be able to see your marks. I'll be able to assist you better. Remember, we are having lessons for grade 10s. It's Monday till Saturday.
Yeah.
At 3 o'clock afternoon, guys. You don't want to step with your work. And then for grade 12, we have 5 o'clock. And then because they are writing examinations, it's 5 o'clock till 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
So you can just tune in there as a grade 12 learner.
Should we let Cortana talk?
Should we let Cortana talk? You can just briefly, but they should get an idea because I think people don't understand that I can do a lesson, but I feel that this guy can do a lesson better than me. As a teacher, I can just try to add some few things there, but if I get a lesson from here, it's going to be very spot on. So let's hear just a little bit.
Welcome to your mini lesson on group data. When data sets are large, we often group the numbers into ranges called class intervals. Since we do not know the exact value of each individual item in a group, we use the midpoint, also called the class mark, of each interval to represent all the data points in that group. Here is how we analyze group data to find the estimated mean step by step. 1. Core theory and rules. Key definitions. Class interval, the range of values that group a section of data, example 0 to 10. Frequency, f the number of data values that fall within a specific class interval. Midpoint, x the middle value of a class
okay, I think
interval.
you get an idea how does it work basically. Okay, so this one here is going to give you the whole lesson. The lesson is also going to have an example. Example is also going to have an activity.
Yep.
If you also like, let's say there are words that you don't understand them there, you can simply ask for translate it. It's going to translate everything there. Then when you can try to check maybe that word that you didn't understand.
Okay.
And then you can take it from there. Now, if you are live, guys, and then you've already signed up. If you've already signed up, you can just request me as your tutor. I want to send you some work that we're going to be doing today, so that you'll be able. It's going to appear exactly then.
Yep.
So you just go to tutors. Once you choose a grade, you need to choose mathematics. I'm not teaching any other subject except mathematics. I also teach physics, but for this particular lesson, I chose mathematics only.
Now we did the lesson for scaffolding and managers and my credits are chopped.
Okay, so what are you trying to do, Kanan? I don't know, you request me as a tutor.
Yeah, I've already requested you as a tutor.
Okay, that one is fine.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do from here, we're going to go to me. You can log in as me as the daily dose of mathematics. I'm already there.
Yeah.
Yeah. What I want to do on my lesson here, guys, there are certain things that I need learners to understand. Before we can start with anything, I need you to understand certain concepts. And then what are those concepts that you need to understand? You need to understand something about ungrouped data. Before we go to the group data, we need to understand something about ungrouped data.
Yeah.
Now, what are those things that the learner needs to understand? On my lesson, they are being specific there, David. I want you to go and copy all those things that learners need to understand.
Yeah.
I'm going to ask my tutor to give me a test that I'm going to send to the learners. I'm going to generate a short test now.
Okay.
And we're going to go through that test. It's just not a quiz, a test.
Generate a short test.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's generate a short test.
Yeah. So what you need to do is to check all the things that learners need to know from ungrouped data. And then those things that are ungrouped data, I was being specific, there is the mean. Okay?
Yeah.
They need to know how to calculate the mean. They need to know how to get the median. Okay? They need to know how to get the modal class. So can you see all those things?
Yeah. I said the mean.
Yeah.
Calculate the mean. Yeah, calculating the mean. And then
I didn't want you to type it per se. I wanted you to copy that thing and then just paste it there so that it becomes simple on that lesson plan. We already have the lesson plan, yeah. Yeah, on the lesson plan, just copy all those things that we need for today and then just paste them and ask it to generate our test so that we try to also save time.
Okay. I'm gonna just paste it there.
Yeah.
All right. Yep, I pasted.
Okay. So let's generate the test.
Are you generating a test or a multiple choice question?
Let's generate a test.
Okay.
Sure.
Generate the question paper.
Okay. That one you don't have to share it. Like they don't have to see how do I do my things when I'm creating my lessons. You shared it already.
Yeah, I have shared it already.
Oh, okay, it's fine. Let's go to the smart notebook there. Just share the smart notebook while we wait for this thing to generate. And then I want you to go to.
Okay, so then let's go to our again.
That picture that you saw, guys, it's not for you. It's for teachers and tutors. So teachers can create a task for you, and then once they create the task, that they will be able to publish it to you, and then you should be able to see it then. If you're logged in now, you are there, you've signed up, you should be able to see that task. And then you will tell me if you can see the task from your side. And then you should also see it. You should just check if it's already available once you publish it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should check it as well. Okay, still publishing.
Oh,
So
it's still generating the
still generating.
Okay, still generating.
Still isn't published.
Okay, while it's busy generating the task that we're going to be doing, guys, let's just get something straight, guys. You need to know how to calculate the mean of ungrouped data. Now, the simplest way to do this, we can use our calculator.
Yep.
So we're going to show you to say how can you use your calculator to get the mean. That will be simple. And then this feature is also going to be applicable when you do it in group data. It's also possible. But one thing that I've seen with grade 10 is that they will give a learner a table, and then they will give the learner the interval.
Yeah.
They will also give them the frequency. After that, they will give them x multiplied by the frequency. So the learners should be able to know how do I move from interval, frequency, and then get the f multiplied by x. Why is the f multiplied by x very important? This one here is going to be something that allows us to get the mean.
Yep.
So with grade 10, they want them to know how do they prepare to get the mean. But once you're in grade 11, it's no longer important. You can simply use your calculator and get the answer. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
So is the lesson done there?
Yeah, the lesson is done.
The test is the test. And
yeah.
Can you publish the test and check it in yourself? What is it there?
It's already published.
It's already published.
Yeah.
Okay. And then did you manage to see your credits file?
My credits.
Yes.
Your credits or mine?
Yours.
Mine?
Yes.
Mine. Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Check if you can view the task that they've published to you so that people can see how is it going to work. So basically, if I publish a task as your tutor, then you should be able to see it as a learner. It is a learner. So share that screen whereby you show them this is the task that I'm given by my teacher.
Okay, stats from private tutor, the daily dose of mathematics.
So it's being specific. This one, so that you will know this one is from your teacher, this one is from your private tutor. So private tutor, yeah.
And then you can also view the paper if you choose it.
Okay, let's view the paper.
Okay, the paper is a control test. Whoa, why is it out of 35? Teacher tried to kill me.
Okay, so you're not you're supposed to be specific, just to say 10 marks.
For 10 marks.
Yeah, so when I create a test, I'll be specific, create a 15 question here. Okay, so what are we trying to address? Remember, we're trying to address ungrouped data. Learners, before they can do anything, they need to understand ungrouped data. Yep. That's what we're going to be starting by doing. Okay, let's take the test that we got from the test. Let's take the questions that we got from our tutor, and then we're going to start with question 1.1. What is question 1 there?
Oh, we're already question 2. The ungrouped data is on question 2.
No, we're not going to ungroup data. We're going to do the test now.
Okay, we're going to do
the test that we're given. Remember, this is very important for a learner. Before they can go to group data, I need to understand do they understand this part. So that's the part that I want us to do now. So view that test and then let's go and do it in our, we're going to do it in our notebook.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go and do it in our notebook.
Okay, so that means I have to copy everything and paste it in our notebook.
Okay, yeah.
Should I play music while doing that?
You can do that. You can definitely do that.
Milani, grade 10, don't miss the mark. We see the groups from 10 to 20, keeping it sharp. Frequency is 6, don't just use the 10 or the 20. Calculate the midpoint, that's where the wisdom is plenty. Upper plus lower, then divide by 2. That 15 is the midpoint, that's what you gotta do. Misconception number 1, don't use the boundary. Midpoint is the key to unlock the treasury. Estimated, meanwhile, outre, calculated. Midpoint times frequency, then sum it up, add it up. Divide by the total frequency, see, keep your head up. That's the mean mark, a someday, let's find the middle, where the median stays. Cumulative frequency will guide us through the maze. Now look at part B, where the median hides. Don't just choose the biggest frequency, that's where the error slides. Frequency 14 is big, but that's not the median location. We need the middle position for this statistical station. Total frequency is 40, divided by 2. The 20 hit position is waiting for you. Calculate a cumulative 6, then 20, then 32. That 20 student is in the 20-30 group. It's true. Estimated, meanwhile, outre, calculated. Midpoint times frequency, then sum it up, add it up. Divide by the total frequency, see, keep your head up. That's the mean mark, a someday, let's find the middle, where the median stays. Cumulative frequency will guide us through the maze. Remember the midpoint. Remember the total frequency. Remember the cumulative sum. No more misconceptions. Grade 10, the work is done. Estimated, meanwhile, outre, calculated. Midpoint times frequency, then sum it up, add it up. Divide by the total frequency, see, keep your head up. That's the mean mark, a someday, let's find the middle, where the median stays. Cumulative frequency will guide us through the maze. Class dismissed, sharp, sharp.
Okay,
Grade 10, got this. Azambege.
Yeah. So guys, remember, you need to know what is the mode, and then we already got an idea what is the mode.
Yeah.
Now remember, when we did scaffolding, they told us that we can have a modal class. Once it's group data, we don't now call it a mode.
Yeah.
We call it a modal class, but it's exactly the same thing. It's the mode. Now, based on what you learned, what is the mode? What would you say is the mode? Based on what you had.
The mode.
Yeah. What would be a mode, basically?
It's a number that is greater than others.
Is the number that appears the most.
Yeah.
So we're going to look at the sets of data. Now we can have multiple modals, and it's possible to do that. Now, if you have a number that repeats itself exactly the same time, we call them modals, so they're repeating themselves exactly the same time. So in grade 10, guys, remember, it's not necessary for you to know how to take the data and then put it in a table.
Yeah.
They're not going to be assessing that one person. They assess that one in grade 9. But it's a skill that you need to know. They can give you, sometimes they can give you see this data that we have here.
Yeah.
I can take the same data and put it in a table. I'm allowed to do that. Now, why do you put it in a table? If it's a large set of data, you can take that same data and put it in the table and just say, let's say I'm dealing with the class of learners that are 100. I'm marking a maths paper. And I'm marking learners that are 100 in that class. Or for example mode, let's just say I have 200 learners. 200 learners, they are a lot. What I can then do is to class these learners and say I want learners who got between 0 and 10. Let's say I gave them a test out of 50. I can say I want learners who got between 0 and 10. You'll find which learners who got 0 to 10. I said that 200. Let's just do an example. Let's mess this one. We want learners who got between 0 and 10. I will say maybe they are 100. Those who got between 0 and it's maths, and it's like I'm being practical.
This one is practical.
So we have 0 up until 10. We have 100 learners, and then I would say learners that got between 10 and 20. You find maybe they're 20. And I will have, like, most of the learners are going to be the learners who are between 30. They are going to be between 20 and 30. Those ones can be something like 60. And then from there onwards, I will have learners who are between 40 and 50. You find which maybe they are 12. Yeah, like we start to get like the one, and then only to find which when I go to 40 to 50, find which I have maybe 7 learners. We always have those learners who are taking their work serious, so it's 40 to 50, it's maybe 7. Then when I add the frequency there, it will be all those 200 learners. So I'm just putting them in a table instead of dealing them one by one and saying this one got 2, this one got 2, this one got 2. Any person who is in that class, a person who got 9 and a person who got 2, I class them as if they're the same. Because it doesn't matter. All of them, they failed. If you got 2, you failed. If you got 9, you still have failed. So I'm just putting them under one class. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So here, what is the set of data? Can you just take us through the question?
We have 12.
We have 12, yeah.
We have 5.
We have 5.
We have 17.
We have 17.
We have 8.
We have 8.
We have 12.
We have 12.
We have 14.
We have 14.
We have 9.
We have 9.
We have X.
X.
Yeah. And then we have 15.
And we have 15.
Yeah.
As in X, X.
X, X.
Solve for X.
Solve for X.
Okay. Okay, I didn't expect this, guys. I'm starting to sweat now. Okay. Anyway, it really doesn't matter here. Okay. But remember, guys, for us to be able to work with statistics most of the time, especially if we're going to be doing Q1, Q2, and Q3, the data needs to be arranged in ascending order. So it means we're not going to be arranging it in ascending order for now because we don't know X where X falls.
Yeah.
We will have to be able to know where X is falling. So now let's start with question 1. Okay?
Yeah.
On question 1.1, it's 1.1.
Question 1.1 says, write down the mode of the data set if X is equal to 14. If the if statement.
Or if X is equal to 14. Okay, now they're just being specific here, guys, to say, let's say we didn't put X, then we put 14. Because they know what you can't determine exactly the model if you have a variable. Because what if this thing here is increasing another number? Because we have no idea.
Yeah.
So instead of X, we can just put 14 there for now. They are saying if, okay?
Yeah.
So if X is 14, now we're going to go through the data and check the one that seems to be appearing the most. You can see it now. Which one seems to be appearing the most?
12 also appears 2 times.
12. Check 12.
Yeah, 12 appears 2 times.
12 appears 2 times.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, 12 appears 2 times.
Check.
There's 12 and then there's 12.
There's 12 again.
Yeah.
I counted 3 when I was counting. So just double check for me.
It's 12.
Yeah.
It's 5.
Yeah.
17.
You started by saying the first one. I asked you what is the data. You said it's 12. That you gave me 12 first.
Yeah, I said it's 12.
Yeah, and then 12. Then you said
5.
5. Yeah.
17.
17.
8.
8.
12.
12. Yeah.
14.
14.
9.
9.
By which with the if statement is 14
Oh.
and 15.
Then the next one is 14.
Then it's 15.
It's 15. Okay,
Yeah.
you asked us which one is the mode.
Yeah.
Now, which one seems to be appearing the most?
12 and 14.
So we're going to write both of them. Both of them, they are modes because there's no one who's appearing more than the other.
Yeah.
If another one was appearing 3 times, we're going to take the one that is appearing 3 times.
Yeah.
So in this case, we're going to tell them mode 0.2.
Yeah, 1.2.
What are they saying on 1.2?
1.2 says you shall calculate the value of f of x if the mean mark of the 9 learners is 11.5.
Okay, now in this case, guys, they are giving us x mean. It's the mean. Yeah, this question is something that learners usually take for granted because they know how to calculate the mean.
Yeah.
And then when we give them the mean and then ask them something, then they start to have a problem.
Yeah.
Guys, x is not 14. We are not going to assume with x is 14. I think they just said for 1.1, if you saw that, if x is 14, they were just trying to say to you, we want you to answer number 1 so that you can move on to number 2. It's 11, comma 5. Now, let's ask ourselves this question. How do you get the mean? That's the question. How does a person get a mean? For a learner to get a mean, what is it that they need to know? Let's ask Chet. What is it that you need to know for you to be able to calculate the mean?
You have to add all these variables and then
you are going to add, like the formula to calculate the mean, it says mean x bar. It's going to be equivalent to the sum. This thing here shouldn't scare you if you're in grade 10. We're going to be using it. It's called sigma. It's the sum of all the x values.
Sum of all x values
divided by n, which is the total number of the set of data. So how many values do you have in the set of data? Sure.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have 9. You have
a 9 set of data. Now, do you need to, for 1.1 and 1.2 about model class, do you need to rearrange your data? Not yet, but I will encourage you as your teacher to say, every time when I given a set of data, start by rearranging it. It's not necessary. It's just going to make your life simple when you're busy calculating mean and so on, so that you don't make mistakes.
Yeah.
So I'm going to propose, which we are not going to calculate it. We'll do it when it's necessary. So we need to calculate the sum.
Yeah.
Now, what is going to be our sum? We're going to tell them what x bar. We know what is x bar, remember?
Yeah.
So we write x bar for now. Tell them what x bar is going to be. This sum of x, we tell them what is 12. Plus, that is 12 plus, what is the second value? It's 5.
X bar is equivalent to 12
plus
5.
5, yeah.
Plus 17.
Plus 17.
plus 17 plus 8
plus 8
plus 12
plus 12
wait plus 8 plus 12
plus 12
plus 14
plus 14
plus 9
plus 9
plus x,
which is the one that we don't know. No?
yeah,
Okay.
plus 15.
Plus 15.
Yeah.
So it can't be 9. They seem to be in these values.
It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
The 9.
Yeah, they're 9.
Okay. Okay. So we're going to divide by the total number, which is going to be 9 again. So we put everything all over what? All over 9. Now instead of x bar, you can remove the x bar and say, I know what is you. What are you in x bar? You x bar, you are 11, 5.
11,
5. Yeah?
0.5.
So on the 11,5 you have, now we're going to add everything up except x. X is not our like 10. Okay?
Yeah.
Let's add everything up there. So we have 12 plus 5, okay?
Yeah.
Which is 17. I'm not going to try to be here, but if you want me to be here, I can do it. So you say it's 12 plus 5, 17 again.
You're trying to be, okay, it's 12
plus 5.
Plus 5.
17, yeah?
It's equal to 17.
No, don't do that. Like, I'm just saying, you can do it on your calculator when I will be trying to do it here.
Okay.
So the next value that we have to add is 8, no?
It's 17.
Huh? No, I thought we said 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5 is 17.
17 plus 17.
We have 17?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have 12 plus 5 plus 17.
Plus 17, yes.
Okay, 17 plus 18 is going to give me 17.
17 plus 17 is what?
I had 12 plus 5, which is 17.
Yeah.
Plus another 17.
Plus another 17.
Oh, that one is 34. Okay, that one I understand. 34. 42 plus 12, it's 54. Yeah.
Plus 14.
14 plus 50, I was at what, 52 or 54?
Plus.
Yeah, my calculator has lost me over it.
Plus 14 plus 9.
Yeah.
Plus 15, then x, you're not going to add it.
Yeah.
Which is equivalent to 92.
So now it means on top, we are going to have 92 plus x again.
92 plus x.
All over
9.
All over 9, which is equivalent to 11,5 again. Sure. Now, 11,5, guys, we can check there which one is the next step here. But I think, let's say you are stuck. It already has crazy. If you are stuck here, you can show them with one hint giver how to move on from here.
Okay.
You can just take a picture of this one here and check which does our hint giver work. But basically, we're going to cross multiply. But I'm just showing you that if you are at home, you guys just show them the hint here which we are working on this one. You just want to get the hint.
Okay, yeah. We're going to go to our hint giver.
Okay, go to hint giver.
This is our hint giver then.
Yeah.
This is the most creature of X. Okay, our hint giver. Then we're going to give him our question.
Okay.
To go down, find the question.
Oh, you're still looking for the question?
Yeah, I found it.
Okay.
Now I'm asking the truth.
You asking? I said hint give.
Yeah, the hint give is the hint give.
Okay.
So it's sort of like a truth response.
No.
Yeah.
So we're going to get a hint to say what is the next thing that we need to do here, guys. I'm just trying to show you that how does it work basically on the hint giver. You are stuck, you're busy working, and then you can't move on anymore. You have your hint giver there, which is just going to give you a hint. No? And then it can say AM Ganwami if you want it.
Yeah. Nganame.
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 Alright. So if you want, you can say Nganame.
Yeah. Mara Bangan.
It's friends.
Okay.
Okay. Do we have a hint?
You have correctly set up the equation as 11,5 equals 92 plus x / 9. To begin isolating x, clear the denominator by multiplying both sides of the equation by 9. Coach's summary. Clearing denominators early transforms fractional equations into simple linear equations, which is an essential algebraic technique for avoiding precision errors in exams.
Okay, as you can hear, guys, here, didn't give us an answer. You saw that. He just said if you are stuck here, basically what he's advising us is that we should have started by multiplying everything with the denominator, so that we just work with the numerators only. So we're going to multiply by 11,5 by 11,5. Let's do that too. So we have 11,5 multiplied by 9. According to my calculator, I'm getting Yeah, it's maths error.
Yeah, math error. Syntax error. 11
comma 5, yeah, multiplied by,
multiplied by 9.
it's supposed to be 105. 105 multiplied by 11,5, it's 94,5.
103.5.
103.5.
Yeah.
Yo, it's not making.
So we have 1.
Okay, it was supposed to be 115. Yeah, 115. Yeah, it made. So it's 103.5
is equal to
it's equal to
92 plus x.
92 plus x. Okay, chat, let's hear from you. Become our hand giver then. What should we do from here? What do you think? What should we do from here?
The
We
chat
want to
room.
get x.
The chat room.
Let's check. Do we have anyone on chat who's brave enough to give us the answer here?
Oh no. Which one is brave between you guys to give us an answer? Somebody? Anybody?
What can we do from here? If we are here now, this is algebra. It doesn't have anything to do with stats. I don't know this one here. It's algebra basically. Is there anyone who's brave enough?
Yeah, they're quiet.
They're
I
quiet.
think they're not brave to this point.
Okay.
But then I think
Right.
this one is general algebra. General algebra, I don't think it's that tough though. Okay. Alright, let's just do it.
Okay, so we're going to transpose.
92 to the other side.
Okay, so we have.
Lwandle.
This
Key number 1, he said we should isolate back in the x value, the value.
Okay, so we're going to take the 92 to the other side. No?
Yeah.
Thank you, Luanzi. Okay, so we isolate. No? So we have
103,
yeah,
5
minus
92,
minus 92,
which is equivalent to x.
which is equal to x. Okay, is that my phone or it's Melo's phone?
It's your phone.
It's my phone. Can you check phone?
Oh, it's YouTube.
Okay. Okay. So we should get an answer here. No? Okay. What is the answer?
I'm doing it on a calculator.
It's what you have what 92.
Yeah.
Minus 103.
I'm not trying anything at all.
So it's if this one is simple, it's it's 11,5. Huh?
Brain can malfunction sometimes. 103.5 minus.
It's 11,5. This one I got it. This one is what is 103?
103.
Yeah, it's 11,5. This one I got it.
It's like x is equal to 10.5.
10.5.
Yeah. I'm kidding, it's 11.5.
Don't do that.
I did the test, but how does your calculator test?
So if the mean is 11,5, it means our mean, our x is also going to be 11,5.
Yeah.
It's not a good question.
Yeah, very wide, very bad part.
Because Elena could have guessed to say they see x bar. If they see x bar and then they just write x is equal to 11,5, they would have gotten the answer.
Yeah.
But how many marks was that? I think they should have given us 3 marks because I agree they had to substitute.
That's 3 marks.
3 marks, yeah. So they would have gotten 1 mark for the final answer. What is the next one?
The next one is using the value of x is equal to 11.5. I think it's equal to 11.5 because like this. No, it's a ratio, this thing. I don't know what's happening.
It's 11 all over.
No, it's 11.
It's 11.
Yeah, using the value of x is equal to 11.
Yeah.
Arrange the data set in ascending order.
So as we said, guys, now it means we are moving on to using a measure of dispersion above 5 numbers. The data needs to be arranged in an ascending order. Do you have a better skill for you to be arranging the data? Or do you want to ask our AI to give us a hint to say what is the best thing that we can do here if we want to arrange our data? Because arranging the data is also a skill, something that you should know. Like it's not something that is going to come naturally to you.
I'm going to check my data and then check which one is the bargain, which one is the smallest. Follow it.
Yeah, but like I'm saying, you see, what the mistake that learners usually make is to say, what you should do, like I'm just trying to show you the scheme. I know you have the data, it's 9 values.
Yeah.
You go one by one. Okay, you say 12, okay? 12 is not the smallest. You go through them, and then you say, okay, but 5 seems to be the smallest. You need to cancel 5 with your pencil. You cancel 5, and then you come and write it where you are ascending. That's why I'm saying it's a skill. Because once you cancel 5, like you go and check. If you see 4, then it means no, I made a mistake, and 5 is not the smallest one.
Okay.
I can always go back.
Yeah.
So now, if we go through this thing here, which one seems to be the smallest? You say it's 5.
Yeah.
Cancel that 5. We go through it and we go through it again. Who else seems to be following 5 then?
8.
It's 8. We cancel 8 with our pencil. Now you can use any color pen. Cancel it and then you say 8.
Yeah.
Sure. What else do you see there?
It's 5, then it's 8. Then I'm going to go back, check which one is the other one. Is 9. Cancel 9.
It's 9. Okay. Cancel 9.
Cancel 9. Then I'm going to go back again. Check. Okay, now they said the value of x is 11.
It's 11, yeah.
That means we have 11 as the next one.
Oh, we have 11. So you cancel X basically.
Yep.
On the set of data, you can cancel X. Okay, next.
11.
We have 12. No?
Yeah.
12. Also have 12 again. No?
Cancel 12.
Yeah.
Then cancel 12. I'm going to have 2 12s.
Yeah.
2 12s.
And then we have 14. No?
12. 12.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to cancel 14.
Yeah. Remember, 14 is 1, guys. It's not as if that, because 1.1 said if is 14. Okay? So 14 is 1. It's not repeating itself according to this question that we're doing now. Okay?
Yep.
Because X is not 14 here, it's 11 according to this one. Okay, next.
Then it's 15. The last one is 15.
The last one is 15. Okay. Now we are going to get a mark for being able to rearrange the data. Now, why do you need to arrange the data? Every time once you see rearranging of the data, which if you're in creative, guys, they're not necessarily going to be giving you mark for you to be able to rearrange the data.
Okay.
It's hidden. You need to know which data needs to be arranged. Every time when you're given a set of data needs to be arranged. Okay. What is the next question?
Next question says you should determine the median mark of the data.
The median mark. No?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get the median mark. Median is Q2. Remember that. Now, you should check one of our lives where we spoke about, at length, we spoke about 5 numbers somewhere. And then we said if you are given a set of data, a data can either be odd set again, or it can be even set again.
Yep.
And then remember, it always giving you a mark instruction. I said every time when you're working with a set of data, what is the first step then, if you remember?
The first step was to check if our data is in
first step. What is the first step? First step.
Oh, count if the our data is
first step.
Oh, like I was like, count if our data is an odd or even.
No, first step.
Oh, first step.
Yes. We're going to rearrange our data from the smallest to the biggest.
That's what I wanted to say first. That was my first step that I wanted to say, but you stopped me when I was about to say.
So it means what you were not sure. If you were sure,
you said no. So I was like,
okay, guys, we always check our data. What is it in an ascending order? Once it's in an ascending order, we can go to step 2. We check if we have an even data set or we have an odd data set.
Yeah.
Now it means when you count the values that are they falling under odd or even?
They're falling under odd.
They're falling under. Yeah, if you count the value and then you check the value 9. But if you see 9 is not an even number because it's not divisible by 2.
Yeah.
So now this data is arranged in an ascending order. Let's take 1 from the beginning.
Yeah, 1 from the beginning.
1 from the end.
1 from the end.
So it means 5 is going to go with 15.
Yeah.
Now, okay. Next we have 8.
8
goes going to go with 14. Sure. Next.
9
goes
with 12.
Goes with 12. Sure.
And then, wait, what did I do here? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I missed one number.
Is it 12? 12 repeats itself
12 repeats itself 2 times.
It's 5.
We have 5,
yeah.
8. Oh, I missed 17. 17 is the last one.
Oh, 17 is the last one.
Yeah, 17 was the last digit.
Okay, guys, don't do it like 8. Do the right thing.
Don't try this at home. I tried it and then, hey, it's gonna charm me. 17.
Yeah.
Yes. But then didn't the chat say anything about it?
Okay.
So then we're gonna have 5 goes with 17.
5 goes with 17 this time around. Okay. 8 goes with 12.
8 goes with 15.
Oh, 15. All right.
And then
9 goes with 12.
Goes with 14.
14?
Yeah, 9 goes with 14.
Okay.
And then 11 goes with 12. Then we have the middle one, which is 12.
Oh, so we have 1 for Soren.
Yeah.
Now this person doesn't have a partner, guys. If they have a partner, then we're going to divide. We're going to add those 2 partners, the last 2 partners, divide by 2. So in this case, because you say this one is 14. The median is 12. Yeah. We like to do it this way, guys, because the formula say you must first get the position. After position, then that's when you are going to then go into this thing. Okay. Now we are going to say Q2. Is equal to 12.
Is equal to 12.
Sure.
Yes.
Next.
So our question, the next question says, if each of the 9 learners has their mark increased by 2 marks, state the effect this adjustment will have on the mean data, back in the mean of the data set.
Yeah, you remember we spoke about this thing. Now this question usually they ask it in grade 11, guys. They ask it for standard deviation and mean. You remember that one? Because standard deviation has to do with the spread of the data. We're not going to concentrate on that. Okay, that's what you need to know. The simplest way to do this one is to say do it like just do it on the side. I think when they gave you this big set of data, you want to confirm something. Just take this set of data. Say if you have, let's say you have 2. It's an example that one.
Okay.
We have 2.
And e.g.
Yeah, e.g. We have 2. Plus.
We have 2.
Yeah. Plus.
Plus 2.
No. Let's say 2 plus 3.
2 plus 3. Or
yeah.
adding with 3.
Yeah. 2 plus 3 plus 5. Like I want it to be 10. Like, that's why I'm giving it this way. So that it's going to be simple. Yeah. It's 2 plus 3 plus 5. Let me make it 4 so that I don't get commas. Or I don't want my answer to be commas. So it's 2 plus 3 plus 4. It's 5.
2 plus 3 plus 4.
Yeah, what we get 9.
Yeah.
2 plus 3 is 5. Plus 4 is going to be actually 9. Now, how do you get the mean of this thing here? You're going to say it's 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is going to give us 9. Then you are going to divide by the total number of values that you've added. How many values did you add?
3.
You added 3. So if you say 9 divided by 3,
9 divided by 3 is 3.
So we're going to write 3. Sharp. Now, the question that is asking us here is asking us to say, what happens if you increase each and every value which is here by 2? That's what we're going to be doing. We're going to increase each and every value by 2. And then we're going to compare based on the old data that you have. So you can say this one is your old data. Doing it on the side.
Yeah.
Say this is my old data. Then this is going to be my new data. On my new data, instead of having 3, I'm simply going to add whatever number that I'm adding. So in this case, let's add 2.
Yeah.
Instead of having 3,
the first value is 2.
Oh, the first value is 2. So instead of having 2, I'm going to have 4 because I'm adding 2.
4.
Yeah. Next one, it was 3. Instead of 3, I'm going to have 5.
5, yeah.
Sure. The next one was 4. Instead of 4, I'm going to have what? 6. Okay. Now let's add them again. Now you have 4. 4 plus
5 is
4 plus 5 is 9. Yeah.
9 plus 6 is 15.
Is 15. Okay. So you're going to have 15. How many values did you add then?
3.
You get it 3. So if you say 15 divided by 3,
yeah,
you get 5.
15 divided by 3,
yeah, you get 5.
It's 5, yeah.
Yeah. Now look at this then. If you compare data set number 1 and data set number 2, I think the first mean is what? It's 3.
First mean is 3, yeah.
The second mean is what?
It's 5.
It's 5. Now what is the difference between these two things when you think about it? Just look at it. What seems to be the difference between these two things?
Since we affected the data, that means you affected the mean. And then if you are affecting the mean with 2, you also affected the. But if you affected the data with 2, that means you also affected the mean with 2.
Yeah. So whatever number that, if you increase each and every data set by 2, the mean is also going to be increased by 2. If you increase each and every value by 5, the mean is also going to be affected by what? By 5. But keyword there, each and every set of data needs to be increased by exactly the same value. So in this case, it means what you are going to tell them what then. They said what? The question 1.4.
They said if each of the 9 learners has their mark increased by 2, state the effect this adjustment will have on the mean of the data.
They say state if I was looking there.
If each of the 9 learners has their mark increased by 2 marks, state the effect this adjustment will have on the mean data.
On the mean data. So our mean is going to be mean. We're going to tell them to expand. It's going to be mean plus 2. So the new mean, you can even say that. You can say that it's new expand. The new expand is going to be given by
13.5.
It's going to be 13.5. Okay. So we had 11.5 before. Okay. Now, I know we're just going to tell them because they're like I thought the other one was 11.5 now. So the mean was 11.5 if x was something. If we got x as 11.5, we got our mean as 11.5. We never calculated the mean again.
Yeah.
So here they're just talking about the general mean. So we're going to tell them the mean is going to be mean plus 2, not 13.5, because we're not assuming what it. Because remember, they changed the mean. They changed the x value when we went to the next question.
Okay.
So we are not going to assume. So we'll just tell them what it's mean plus 2.
And then therefore that means it will affect the mean. And then if the data, if the marks are increased, the mean increased.
Yeah, it's increased exactly by the same number that the marks are increased by.
If the marks increases.
Guys, don't worry why it is doing this. He knows with our senior marker is very strict. They can give him 0 there.
The mean increases.
By 2.
Mean increases.
If each and every if each and every data set increases by 2, the mean is also going to increase by 2. If you want to write it in English, which I don't encourage. This is what you wrote. It. I you said
If the
x
max,
bar
if the
plus
max
2
increase
by 2.
Increase by 2.
Mean is also going to increase by 2.
By 2. Mean also
increase by 2.
Increase by 2.
Yeah.
Increase by 2.
Sure.
Yeah, and that's our last question.
Okay. We're done with this. This is the first part. It did a long test, guys. So I'm not going to put it. Basically, I was supposed to take this test, put it back on the senior marker there so that he can tell us without did it. We're not going to do that. We're going to take this thing and put it in our practice work. Which this is where we're practicing, and put it just there so that it doesn't grade us according to the memo. Because if we put it there, it's going to say the other questions were not done. But we can do it so that we are not afraid to get zeros.
I'm not afraid to get it. Wait. Let me confirm something. This one was not the last question. I missed one question and I was doing the thing.
This is the one of 42. Or there's still question 2 after that.
There's still question 2 after that.
So, no, we're not going to do question 2.
I missed one question when I was doing that thing.
Guys, Luanda, you can if you still want to do the question 2, you can do it and submit it there on the app there. And I'll be able to check with you how did you do it. You can simply submit. It will show you how to submit.
Yeah, there was a question that I
you skipped.
Yeah.
Is which one?
No, I didn't skip. It was the last question, 1.4.2.
It's the same what?
It says the range of the data set.
Oh, the range of the data set. That one is straightforward. No? What is the range?
But then remember the data set is increased by 2.
They say the range of this data set.
Yeah.
It's not going to change. The range also doesn't change. Remember, if you increase each and every value by 2, you're still going to say the top minus the bottom. So the top is increased by 2, and the first one is also increased by 2.
Yeah.
So you're simply going to subtract all those two things. Like you can check it now. I can show you can say the first value is 5. The biggest value is 17.
Yeah.
17 minus 5 is going to be 12. That one is clear.
Yeah, 17 minus 5 is 12.
7. Now we're going to have 7 again. Plus 19.
7 plus 2 is 19.
No, I mean, if you say 5 here, 5 is going to give you 7. You can put that one there. See, if you increase each and every value by 2, then you're going to have 7. And then on the last one, it was supposed to be 15. It's not going to be 15. It's going to be what? It's not going to be 15, but it's going to be 17.
Yeah.
You increase it by 2. Now, if you say 17 minus 7, still give us exactly the same thing. It doesn't affect, because this one here, we're not dealing with a measure of dispersion.
The 17 also will increase. The 17 must increase also.
Oh, okay. It's not 15. I'm not increasing, so I'm increasing 17.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it means, we're going to say 17 plus 2, which is going to be 19. 19 minus, that's what I was trying to say. I'm trying to say 19 minus 7 is still going to be exactly the same answer, which is 12.
Yeah.
Okay, so even if we subtracted the 5, and the 17, we're still going to get the same answer. Even if we subtract the 7 and the 19, we're still going to get the same answer.
Okay.
I'm correct.
Yeah.
19 minus 7 is 12.
Yeah.
17 minus 9. You still get 12.
So then therefore the range will not increase.
Yeah, the range will also not increase.
The range
will remain the same. Yeah, the range will
remain the same.
Yeah, will remain the same.
The pressure increase or decrease remains. Physics. Yeah, that one is physics. Remains the same.
Remains the same.
Okay. So can we put this one on our senior mark?
Let's put it there on that marker there. He will tell us which we got 7 out of 10. It's fine. We would have gotten our 7 out of 10. Because he has the memo, that guy.
Yeah, the guy has the memo.
Okay.
Yeah, it's gonna grade.
How many marks, Tina? You said all in all it was 42.
Yeah, they were all in all it was 45.
45. And then this one we did it out of what? The one that you just did now?
Out of 11, I guess.
Yeah, we're going to mark ourselves out of 11.
Oh, it's out of 35.
Out of 35.
Yeah. I'm not gonna be bad because like we'll get the whole thing in total thing. I have total on this one. I know myself.
Okay.
I'm very critical when it comes to this type of things.
Okay. Okay, we want to move to the group data. Now, we're simply going to test the group data, but we'll do it on Monday. So these are the things that you need to know. You need to know how to calculate the median. You need to know how to calculate the mean, so that we can translate the skills to the group data. So I also encourage you to take that test there under the daily dose of mathematics tutor and submit it.
Okay, then I shall take it. But then I already know that I have tutor. Am I?
Yeah, you have a tutor.
Okay, let me play the song again.
Yeah, you play the song while we wait for this guy to mark us. It's Mr. Shoma who's marking us. Ne?
Milani, grade 10, don't miss the mark. We see the groups from 10 to 20, keeping it sharp. Frequency is 6, don't just use the 10 or the 20. Calculate the midpoint, that's where the wisdom is plenty. Upper plus lower, then divide by 2. That 15 is the midpoint, that's what you gotta do. Misconception number 1, don't use the boundary. Midpoint is the key to unlock the treasury. Estimated, meanwhile, Utois, calculated. Midpoint times frequency, then sum it up, add it up. Divide by the total frequency, see, keep your head up. That's the mean mark. A sunbae, let's find the middle, where the median stays. Cumulative frequency will guide us through the maze. Now look at part B, where the median hides. Don't just choose the biggest frequency, that's where the error slides. Frequency 14 is big, but that's not the median location. We need the middle position for this statistical station. Total frequency is 40, divided by 2. The 20 hit position is waiting for you. Calculate a Q middle 6, then 20, then 32. That 20 student is in the 20-30 group. It's true. Estimated, meanwhile, Utois, calculated. Midpoint times frequency, then sum it up, add it up. Divide by the total frequency, see, keep your...
Assessment summary total score, 9/35, 26%. Detailed mark allocation by question. Question 1 9/9 marks 1.11/1 mark. Correctly identified that the data set is bimodal with modes 12 and 1 4.1.23/3 marks. Full marks for setting up the equation for the mean correctly and solving for x equals 1 1.5.1.3.11/1 mark. Correctly arranged the data set in ascending order. 1.3.22/2 marks. Correctly identified the median, Q2 equals 12.1.4.11/1 mark. Correctly noted that increasing each score by 2 increases the mean by 2.1.4.21/1 mark. Correctly noted that adding a constant to all data values leaves the range unchanged. Question 20/11 marks 2.1 to 2.5, 0/11 marks. Question not attempted / page missing from submission. Question 30/15 marks 3.1.1 to 3.2.3, 0/15 marks. Question not attempted / page missing from submission. Feedback and recommendations. You scored 100% on question 1, showing an excellent grasp of raw data measures, calculations with mean, and the effects of linear transformations on central tendency and dispersion. To get your full mark for this paper, please upload the remaining pages containing questions 2 and 3.
Okay, guys, as you can see here, once you've put the test there, Rwanda, I'm going to ask you to do question 2 and question 3, and then you can submit them. But also submit question 1 so that you don't have to get 11 marks just like it. You know?
The zero that I got. Oh, unfortunately, it's 9 marks because the question I thought it was the question was out of 11, and then it's
out of 9.
It's out of 9.
Okay, yeah. As you can see here, it managed to mark everything. You can put all your images at the same time, and then it will be able to mark you. And then it will also be able to tell you which questions are missing. So you can't cheat it and then put something that is not written. It's also going to check with it. It's written, and then it's according to the questions that they've asked here, so that you can get your marks. So
we have a question from Randu. He says, so like, where can he get the test?
The test, you can get it on right now. If you go to the app, If you go to the app, you will see that. Just show him there. You
log in.
Yeah.
After logging in, you're gonna choose maths.
Yeah.
After finding maths, You're gonna request a tutor.
Yeah, you request a tutor.
After requesting a tutor, let me refresh.
Yeah, if you say request a tutor, you should see all the tutors that are available. Request the daily dose of mathematics. Once you request me, you should be able to see all the tasks that are published.
Yeah, and then after doing that,
the task is going to appear.
yeah, the task will appear yet. But on the teacher assigned task, but can click the stats 35 marks. After clicking the stats 35 marks from the private tutor.
Yeah.
I agree we will be already linked to the bucket.
To the tutor, yeah.
And you can click it. After clicking it, you can view it. After viewing it, you can write it all. After writing it, you can take a picture of it.
Yeah, you take all the questions. Let's say when you're writing on your book, when you say question 1, you write question 1, finish. Question 2, you write question 2, you write question 3, and so on. You take all those pictures at the same time, all of them. If there are 5, you take 5. 4, you take 4. And then all of them, you click them, then you say submit. Right? After submitting, it's going to tell you which is grading you. After it has graded you, I will see where you're struggling so that I will know exactly how to structure the lesson for Monday. Then on Monday, we'll start with the group data. You saw the question that we were supposed to do today. It's just that we couldn't get to it because of time.
Yeah.
I was also trying to teach you how to use the app at the same time. I was also trying to get to the group data. So on Monday, we'll definitely get to group data.
Yeah, remember when you're looking for the app, it's wonderful.
I think what you can do is to, on this video, just put the link of that Funda Flow. Now, Lange, since you attended with us, we're going to give you 10 credits in extra. So we're going to be giving you free credits. Every time when you attend with us, you get free credits that you can use. You don't have to use them for mathematics on any topic, any subject that you're struggling on.
Yeah.
And then if you are doing also physics, I'll be able to see how can I assist you with physics.
Okay. So then should I just
take the link and
or should I give Randy the credits and then comment that he got the credits?
Yeah, give Randy the credits. Randy, you are with who else was there? Yes, Randy.
I'm not sure. Whoever's on chat, can you please comment so that
if you are on the group, you can just comment so that you can also increase your credit. So you're going to give Randy 10 more credits. Yeah,
was participating with us. So
when you go to the app, Randy, you're going to find that instead of 5 credits now, every time when you log in the page, you get 5 credits like that. And then from there onwards, we've just increased Randy's credits.
Okay, let me increase Randy's credits and then let me play a song. After that, I should ask Randy, did he get the credits?
Get his credits, okay.
Head up, that's a mean mark. A someday, let's find the middle where the median stays. Cumulative frequency will guide us through the maze. Remember the midpoint.
And then advise us, what did you use as your school there? Because there's the option that says you should
remember the cumulative sum.
You can also advise us on that one.
No more misconceptions. Grade 10, the work is done. Estimated, meanwhile, Utois. Calculated. Midpoint times frequency, then sum it up. Add it up. Divide by the total frequency. See, keep your head up. That's the mean mark. A someday, let's find the middle where the median stays. Cumulative frequency will guide us through the maze. Class dismissed, sharp. Grade 10, you got this. Azambege.
Yeah, Randy can check for us. I've already topped up
his credits.
Yeah, his credit.
Okay. We hope Randy you received the 10 credits. We are going to see each other on Monday, same time, same place. We'll try to be a little bit early on Monday.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so should we wait for like no?
No, it's fine. I think you would have gotten them. We'll just comment there on the chat that you got them.
Okay.
See a bonga for pulling through the lesson. Hope you caught that daily dose of magic. Like the video and leave us